If you're tired of just getting by and ready to start building serious financial momentum, you want to stick around for every single one. Number one, adopt a growth mindset. Wealth starts with your mindset. People who become rich tend to believe that their skills and intelligence can grow with effort and persistence. They don't say, I'm just not good with money. Instead, they ask, how can I get better at managing money? This perspective keeps them curious, humble, and willing to learn. The growth mindset is what pushes people to read finance books, take calculated risks, and keep improving their financial literacy. Without it, all the tips in the world won't matter because you'll always feel stuck where you are. Number two, set clear financial goals. Wandering through life without specific financial goals is like driving without a destination. You'll waste time, gas, and energy. The wealthy are goal oriented. They know exactly what they're aiming for, whether it's building a $100,000 investment portfolio, becoming debt free, or owning 5 properties. Specific goals keep you focused and give your money purpose. Write your goals down, break them into short term and long term targets, and review them regularly. Without this clarity, you lose insight of the bigger picture. Number three, visualize your success. This habit is often underestimated, but it's powerful. Visualization is more than dreaming, it's mental rehearsal. Top athletes use it, and wealthy individuals do too. Picture your life once you've achieved financial freedom. What does your day look like? Where do you live? What are you doing with your time? This exercise creates emotional connection and motivation. When you're mentally aligned with your goals, you're more likely to make smart financial decisions in real life. Number four, pay yourself first. One of the most consistent habits among the wealthy is treating savings as a non negotiable expense. Paying yourself first means putting aside a portion of your income into savings or investments before anything else. Not after your bills, not after fun money, before. This shifts your priorities and ensures you're always working toward future wealth, even on lower incomes. It turns savings from a passive intention into an active discipline. Number five, create and stick to a budget. If your money has no structure, it will always feel like it disappears too fast. Budgeting helps you take control. It's not about restricting every dollar, but about telling your money what to do. Wealthy people use budgets to align their spending with their goals. They track where their money goes, spot leaks, and make adjustments quickly. Whether you use an app, spreadsheet, or the envelope system, consistency is what matters. Number six, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Whether it's a job loss, a medical issue, or a broken down car, emergencies are guaranteed to happen. The difference is whether you're financially ready. An emergency fund protects your long term wealth by keeping you out of debt during hard times. Most experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This gives you freedom and peace of mind, two things money truly can buy. Number seven, avoid high interest debt. High interest debt is a silent wealth killer. It drains your income and stunts your ability to save or invest. Credit card interest rates can reach 20% or more. That's money leaving your pocket just to maintain a balance. Wealthy individuals avoid this kind of debt at all costs. Even if they use credit cards, they pay them off in full each month. That should be strategic, not emotional or impulsive. Number eight, automate your finances. Automation is a secret weapon for consistency. Wealthy people automate bill payments, savings, contributions, and even investing. Why? Because it reduces the chances of forgetting, skipping, or emotionally interfering with financial decisions. When money automatically flows into the right places, your financial system works for you, even when you're busy or distracted. This also removes decision fatigue, freeing up mental energy for other goals. Number nine, invest early and consistently. The single most powerful force in building wealth is compound interest, and it only works with time. The earlier you start investing, the more your money grows, even if you're only contributing small amounts. Wealthy people don't try to time the market, they just stay in it. They invest consistently, month after month, through highs and lows, whether it's stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. They let their money work for them while they sleep. Number 10, live below your means. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means choosing long term wealth over short term luxury. Many millionaires drive modest cars, live in average homes, and don't flaunt their money. Why? Because their goal isn't to impress people, it's to build real financial freedom. When you live below your means, you save more, invest more, and reduce financial stress. This is one of the simplest, most powerful habits on this list. Number 11, develop multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck is risky. If that income stops, so does your lifestyle. That's why wealthy people diversify their earnings. They build side businesses, invest in real estate, or generate income from dividends, royalties, or digital products. This isn't about hustling 24/7. It's about creating systems that generate money even when you're not working. Financial freedom doesn't come from working more hours. It comes from building income that works without you. Number 12, continuously educate yourself. The world of money changes constantly. Interest rates shift, investment opportunities evolve, and new technologies emerge. Wealthy people stay ahead by continuously learning. They read books, listen to podcasts, follow financial news, and surround themselves with experts. Education is their edge. The more you know, the more you can do, and avoid costly mistakes that set others back years. Number 13, surround yourself with financially minded people. Your environment matters. If everyone around you lives paycheck to paycheck, splurges without thinking, and avoids money conversations, that mindset rubs off on you. On the other hand, if you spend time with people who budget, invest, and set goals, you'll be inspired to elevate your own financial game. Conversations will shift from spending to growing. Wealthy people network with other achievers for a reason. It accelerates progress. Number 14, practice delayed gratification. The ability to wait for something better is one of the strongest predictors of long term wealth. Wealthy individuals don't act on every desire. They consider the future impact of today's purchases. Instead of buying a new phone they don't need, they invest that money. Instead of upgrading their car every 2 years, they drive what's functional and put the difference into assets. Over time, these small decisions compound into massive financial wins. Number 15, regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Wealth isn't a set it and forget it achievement. Life changes, so should your plan. Wealthy people regularly check in with their finances. Are they saving enough? Are their investments performing well? Are their goals still relevant? They adjust when necessary instead of coasting. This habit keeps them proactive, not reactive, and that's how they stay ahead. To wrap it all up, wealth is not just about how much money you make. It's about what you do with what you have. These 15 habits may sound simple, but when practiced consistently, they build real results. You don't need to master them all today. Start with just one or two, and stack the rest over time. What matters is progress, not perfection. If you've got value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more financial content, and share this with someone who's ready to change their money habits for the better. Comment below which of these habits are you already practicing and which one will you start today. Thanks for watching, and remember, your future wealth is built by actions you take today. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your rich life.